Guys, welcome back to the Wright's cooking channel. Manners and respect. Today we're gonna do some beef patties and we're just gonna show you how we do it. Yes guys, I'm just gonna put a little bit of coconut oil in the skillet just to grease it. Okay guys, now that we grease the pan, we're gonna brown the meat a little, make it cook a little. Okay guys, this is the meat and I just add a little seasoning to it like bell pepper and a little black pepper, a little garlic pepper, garlic powder and onion powder to it, and I'm going to make it cook for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, now that the meat is cooked, I'm going to drain the oil off the meat. Okay guys, I'm back. Now that I'm going to get the dough ready, I'm just going to roll it and let you see how we do it. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. This is what I'm gonna set the dough in. Now I'm gonna add my meat. And now I'm gonna close it. Guys, now I'm gonna cut the edge and cut it around. Lift it. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. Okay guys, now I'm gonna lift it. And now I'm gonna set it on my bacon pan. Okay guys, we are back. And these are the 3 beef patties. My wife, she made these
apple
pies. And now that we are going to put it in the oven.
And we'll be back when they're finished.
Okay guys, my beef patty are ready. And this is what it look like. And my wife apple pie, they are also ready, and this is what they look like. It's very hot. And this is what your beef patty look like, guys. Thanks for watching the Wright's cooking channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys.